show it to you again. Boom. And boom. And kaboom. They're beautiful. I love them. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video for you. So simple, all we're doing is changing the lights on the 2022 Kia Soul. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. So here are the lights we're replacing, guys. We got this one and this guy, a little ugly looking light, and we got that one. Guys, you also have to replace these lights, but these only comes on when you turn on the headlights, and this one as well. So let's go. Okay guys, so these lights are usually fairly easy. Should be able to get your trim removal tool. There's usually one specific spot. I'm trying to find it. If it's here, oh, there you go, got it. So the bulb is right here. Hold on, I need something to take it out. So let's take these are a little bigger, but I think I may have them. This one's not easy to take out. It's a big bulb. Okay, I got it. There you go. I may have these. Let me see if I can see the size. All right guys, so as you know, I also ordered my bulb from last fit. So here it is. So this bulb size is 11D. I think I happen to have some T10. They might fit in there. If they fit, we'll just leave them as. All right. Okay guys, so I gotta show you why I took this big guy off. So when I try to put the bulb in, one of the lights just popped inside it, so I have to take this off. So it's fairly easy. You just popped it off from the front, then you can take this out just in case. But normally you should be able to just pop the light out and then that works. But mine just had to be a little more difficult. So I took this guy out. So this is what the bulb look like. It's 11D, but you might get away with the 10T. But trying to find an 11D first. All right, let's see if this works. It's not easy to put it on. All right, both of them work. Let's put them back into the socket. Okay. Oh, also I forgot, I'm sorry. So to take this out, there's two screws over here. Pop it up from the front, just in case the light socket comes out, okay? Once you're done, let me turn these off. They are so bright. Now I can put back the two screws holding the stuff up. Okay, finally it's in. Jeez, this is so hard. Okay, so let's turn them on, guys, so you can see. All right, nice, right? Then put the covers back on. This one goes up here. Put the bottom part. Okay, here you go. Second one. Okay. All right, let's go to the back. All right guys, let's see if we can take this guy out. I'm trying to find a little opening. Oh, got it. Okay, I think I have that one as well. Okay guys, so there you go. Hold on. There you go. Last fit, that's where I get all my light bulbs from. So anyway, let's put it on. Turn this off first. It's really hot, so just use a rag. Let's test this guy out. Oh, nice. All right, that one is done. All we have to do is just put the cover back. Oh, hold on, I want to put it back this way. Nope, it goes the other way. All right. All right, guys, so last one, it's in the trunk. Okay, you just pop it off from the side here, and here we go, it comes out. All right, let's unplug it. I think it has the same bulb as the middle, meaning the interior. All right, now I have to open. Hold on, let me show you. Take the plastic out. It should be able to. Oops. All right, so just pry it open. So here's the bulb it has. It's a L3 again. I'll put everything in the description. Hold on. Okay, so let's pop this guy out. Okay, put the new one on, and I told you guys I love these bulbs. Look how nice they look. They are really nice bulb, and they are bright. There you go, bulb is in there. Okay, there you go. Look how bright this is. Jeez. Okay, now we know it works. Put the cover back on. This way. Okay, let's connect it. Here you go. Okay, all you have to do, pop it back in place. She's done. I'll see if I can get you another video at night, boys and girls. Alright guys, you also have to replace these lights, but these only comes on when you turn on the headlights, so we're just gonna replace them also with the new last fit. So guys, to replace those lights is fairly easy. All you have to do is pop this open. So just watch me. See? You unplug it. That's it. Then I'm replacing the bulb with these guys. Those are T10. Open it up. Got it. So this is the light that was in the car. So it's very simple. Twist, and then you pop this guy off. Put the new one on. There we go. And then you put it back in here. That's it. Now let's install it. To make sure it works, it's very simple. Just plug it in. There you go. As you can see, it works. Then you just pop it back into place. There you go. Now we do the next side. Okay. Unplug the light. Okay, new light. Take it out. Old light. Twist. Ooh. There you go. Then put the new light in here. And into the housing. Twist. Done. Let's put it in the car. There you go, guys, and you'll see what it looks like at night. So let's just pop this guy in. That's it. Simple. I'll show you what it looks like at night, guys. Looks really good. I really like it. So guys, I wanted to show you how the inside of the car look. There you go. Look how bright they are, guys. Looks so good. Looks really good. The whole inside of the car, even though there's not a lot of light, but it's completely brightened the whole inside of the car. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. That is so beautiful. Even the little compartment as well. I put the seat down so you guys can really see. There you go. Okay guys, I can't forget to show you these lights as well. This is on the little trunk, so there you go. They look so nice. They are not red, trust me. They are definitely really bright and white. All right. There you go, guys. I'll show it to you again. Boom. And boom. and kaboom. They're beautiful. Love them. All right. So guys, the bold in the interior lights for the Kia Soul are done. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.